And today's episode is Takedown Day. So if you're interested in seeing how we do all of this, you know what to do. Keep watching. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on a Budget. And today I have my niece is going to be working with me. It's Takedown Day. Now I'm doing it in stages. What I'm going to do first is when my niece arrives, I've already got all my bins in. And what we're going to do is we're going to take down items in a certain pattern. First I want to get all the Christmas ornaments and ribbons off the trees and the chains. Get all that off of all three trees. Then the next thing will be all the smaller items, like the angels and things in the china cabinet, the reindeers on the tables, the snowmen in the front room. Get all that down, and tongue tied here. The snowmen on the entryway tables. Get down all the small stuff, and then the ornaments in the lanterns on the front porch. I want all that taken down first. Then we'll get the garland, which will be the garland over the door, the garland on the stairs, and on the mantle. We'll get those things down. Once we get all that stuff down, and then we can get the snowmen off the tables and in the kitchen, and then all the plates and all that put up in the placemats and all that good stuff. Then once all of that is out here, then it'll be easier to take down the big trees. So if we take it down in stages, then we'll be able to accomplish a lot. So that way it won't be confusion and things everywhere, because I want to try to make sure my bins are organized. So as soon as my niece gets here, we'll get started. Okay, now we outside. My niece is getting the little bitty ornaments off the tree and the ones out of there. So we're getting it done little by little. I'm gonna go ahead and tackle these snowflakes on the lights and we'll be back. Well, here we are out in the garage. Somehow I lost the film showing us bringing all these bins and boxes out in the garage. So I'm sharing with you this little piece, a snippet rather, and I'll see you in the next episode. And I will be sharing how we store all these bins for Christmas decor. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.